Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best ball storage carts that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Baden Steel Basketball Rack. The Baden Steel Basketball Rack is the industry best and was designed to last. This cart's steel frame construction holds 12 official size basketballs and a number of other inflatables. This product from Baden is a fantastic option that will keep up to 12 balls to keep all your balls. Secondly, the product features quality sturdy frames to ensure great stability and support. Moreover, the versatile product is ideal for collectors, schools, leagues, and more. That said, the product is fitted with 4 multifunctional wheels to easily roll on every terrain. Due to the smaller ergonomic design, the product is a great addition to every space. With a powder-coated finish, this product is resistant to corrosion and rust. Also, it allows for simple access and removal of the ball from both sides. Lastly, the product is simple and easy to assemble in minutes. Moving on at number 4, we have Essentially Yours Pool Noodles Holder. With the dimensions of 37 by 24 by 55 inches, this product is a great option that will serve you better. This product has double decks that will accommodate more balls and other equipment. Besides this, the product is finished in a wide range of colors. It features larger compartments that allow for keeping the bigger gears. The product is equipped with 4 swivel wheels for simple maneuverability for use on different trains. Also, this product is simple and easy to assemble with the parts marked. That said, this product is highly versatile for keeping different items like pool toys, balls, and more. At number 3, we have Champion Sports Portable Ball Storage Cart. Champion Sports Lockable Ball Storage Locker. The long-lasting sports ball storage bin is a great addition to any gymnasium, recreational facility and can also be used at home. If you have a sports-minded family and love to play basketball, soccer, dodgeball, or simply need a sports equipment storage cage, this is a perfect solution. The capacity of the ball storage cart is a consideration to have in mind when buying the products. This ball storage cart has a large volume to keep up to 24 balls. Hence a fine option to try out. Secondly, the product is designed from a quality steel frame with a powder coating finish. Due to this, it stays free from corrosion and rust. More interestingly, the product has 4 swivel caster wheels that allow for simple easy movement on most terrains. To add more, the ball cart has a lockable hinged cover to keep all the balls and other sports equipment safe. These non-marrying wheels will not damage the floor and slide smoothly to ensure reliable portability. At number 2, we have AKA Spores Ball Equipment Ball Storage Cart. When you need to keep most balls, this product from AKA Sports is a fantastic option to try out. The product has a large capacity to keep up to 25 basketballs. Besides this, the product has dimensions of 36 by 31 by 26 inches to fit even smaller spaces. Moreover, the storage cart has a foldable module design and simpler to assemble in minutes with the parts included. Also, the product is made using quality powder-coated metal frames to serve longer and withstand the weight of the balls. Still, the product features 4 caster 360 degrees wheels that allow for simple maneuverability on all surfaces. Because of this, you will get its favorite for indoor and outdoor uses. The versatile product is excellent for keeping volleyball, football, and basketballs among others. And finally at number 1. Forza Portable Sports Ball Trolley. Here is an amazing selection of a ball storage cart. You will find a favorite for keeping the balls. The product is available in 2 sizes with 20 balls and 40 balls capacity. Hence you get to pick the ideal option for the balls. To add more, the storage cart has 4 360 degrees swivel caster wheels to maneuver easily on the floor surface. Again, the product has an improved braking system to stay in a stationary position. More interestingly, the ball storage cart is easy and simple to transport. The cart is built using premium quality hard-wearing rubber and black galvanized steel to offer proper stability and strength. Due to this, it guarantees extended use, and with the powder coat finish, it stays free from rust and corrosion. The cart also features a tubular shape with a 1 mm thickness to bring about added strength. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.